was discussing this diagram in the previous video. So after drawing this diagram, refracted rays away from the normal and all, I have marked that distance, that P to I is minus V. Why? Because sir, this is against the direction of incident ray, because incident ray is going from left to right, whereas P to I is minus V, P to O is minus U, and P to C is minus R. Now my dear, the last point is that, see, you can see here, the image is formed, that you can see, because I told you my equation should be start with image distance V. No doubt my dear, here you can see that I got virtual image, I extended the image, that is virtually I obtained it denser. But my dear, as I told you earlier, that this image is obtained in the rarer medium with the refracting angle of R. You can see there is a refracting angle here of R. So if I draw refracted angle here, so definitely sir, image ka concept is in rarer medium. Because ye front here, behind it I don't have anything, na? That's why virtually it is obtained here, na, in front of the object. Because behind me I cannot get any things, I cannot obtain anything, so I have virtually produced it over here. So ultimately my dear, what is the point to say? Sir, angle of refraction is made in which medium? See that probably. So that is mu1. And angle of refraction matlab giving image. Incident giving object. This is all logic you can use to understand equation, that's my point. So now mu1 is with V. So it is mu1 by V, and mu2 is with U, because object is in denser medium, so mu2 is with U, object. और एक और चीज ज्यादा नहीं सोचना है, if object is in denser medium, of course sir, image का answer must be with rarer medium, then only the refraction will takes place. How denser to denser will give that? Denser में ये object है, denser में image है, that's not a problem. I hope it is clear. Virtually I obtained the image in denser. My point is that. So I am supposed to prove this equation, and here you can see this is object making an angle of alpha, this is image making an angle of beta, and this is perpendicular, you can use all those concepts, and this is center of curvature normal ray making an angle of tau. And you are supposed to prove this, ye aana chahiye. Let me tell you. Now my dear, let's go for concave surface. And the question is, let me begin with, now concave surface, what is the ideology? Concave surface is drawn this way. This is concave lens. So now this is the first surface and this is the second surface. So now my dear, here is air, here is denser. I am writing denser, and here is air, right? So if I bifurcate it, because this is biconcave, we call this as biconcave. Total is concave lens. So if I take the surface, one surface, so I will get, this is the surface where here is air and here is denser. This is first concave surface. And second concave surface will be look like, this is second, you can see here, second concave surface. So my dear, second concave surface, if you will find, here it is denser and here it is rarer. You can see. Whereas convex may, here is denser and the shape is like this, but in concave the shape is like this and denser is on the left side, you can see. So this is second concave surface, that's important. This is first concave surface where the object, this is used when the object is in the rarer medium, this diagram. And this is used when the object is in the denser medium, this diagram. When the object is in denser medium, then this diagram is used for concave surface. And when the object in the rarer medium, this diagram is used for the concave surface. So I hope it is clear. So let us see that So I am drawing concave surface, question number 5, because this is the question number 4. Concave surface with object in rarer medium, image is virtual. My dear, now you all know that for concave image is only virtual. So therefore there is only two questions by changing the placement of object. First time in rarer medium, image is virtual. Second time again, image will be virtual only because it is concave, but object will be placed in denser medium. So I want the topic you should do this. I have explained this how will you place the concave for which objects. Now my dear, here concave surface object is in rarer medium. I have drawn here. So let us draw the diagram. The side where there is a denser medium, जो side पे denser होता है, you should draw like this. Here this is the denser, so I have drawn like this. This is good habit. It shows it is denser. And rarer you will keep as it is. So here it is denser medium. Refractive index is mu2. And here it is rarer medium. Refractive index is mu1. Here is the pole. So this will be the diagram, my dear, object keeping in the rarer medium. Okay, and now one thing is very important for all this, that you should aware that how we are doing, what is the way of doing, otherwise it is all useless. So now see, for concave we can place the object little longer only, as not like this near the pole and all, that is for convex. So say I have taken the object here, and here is the incident ray. Right? Fall at point M. My all triangles are same. M, N, O, M, M, N, C, M, I, C. All the triangles are same for me. M, O, C, M, I, C. Everywhere the, please see and solve it. Now this is refracted incident ray. And this is the shape. You can see the faces like this. This is the center of curvature here I am drawing. So this will call normal. This is the normal. Now my dear, you all know that, and if I produce the normal further, I am rubbing this thing. Okay, if the question is object kept in rarer medium, image is real for concave surface. So I will extend this normal like this. You can see. So now my dear, you tell me, it is going from rarer to denser. So it will bend towards the normal. I will shift little normal because now the normal is very important for us. See, this is always important to draw the diagram so that I can show it is bending towards. So here is the point and here I am writing M. So it will bend towards the normal like this. This marker is little thicker, so something is up. But my dear, this is the ray, incident ray, and here it will bend towards the normal. So this will come on this side. You can see, and this is your normal. Please see the diagram properly. Towards the normal. This is incident ray, it is going towards the normal. This is your refracted ray. We form a virtual image here, I. This is the diagram for this question, my dear. So I want that every student should confirm it, should do it carefully. I'll be quite happy if you do yourself and you will get the answers. I'll be quite happy. Because now it is a time to do. Now my dear, here you can see it is incident ray and it is center of curvature. So here it is I. You can see I, angle of incident, that is incident ray with center of curvature I. And here it is image obtained. So this is your refracted ray. You can see here, my dear, you have written here, which is produced at the back, like this. So this is your angle R, and it is showing it is bending towards the normal. Of course it is bending. This is incident ray bending towards the normal. This is my normal ray. I can extend further. This is my normal ray. So it is bending towards the normal. So R and I is marked. Now this is incident ray making alpha, image making beta, and center of curvature making gamma. Rest all distance P to C minus R, P to I minus V, and P to O is minus U. And here you can draw the last, you can draw the perpendicular, my dear. So this is the diagram. See the diagrams carefully. And don't take the diagram as the same. I hope you should practice and you should do it. Now what is the formula here I will get? To prove. What should I get? Where is the object? Sir, object is in the rarer medium. सो सिंपल, एक लॉजिक यूज करो. ऑब्जेक्ट किधर है? रेरर मीडियम में. इमेज कहाँ मिलेगा? डेंसर मीडियम में. डेंसर मीडियम का आर आई क्या है? म्यू2. सो इट विल बी एन इमेज डिस्टेंस इज v. सो द फॉर्मूला विल बी म्यू2 बिगिन विथ v. सो म्यू2 by v minus mu1 by u, because u is in minus and it is in rarer medium mu1. So अगर u is with mu1 but natural v is mu2. v is with mu2. And we have to begin with mu2, begin with v. So ultimately, sir, whenever v will begin in any of the 6 equation, it will be in positive, and this mu2, mu1 will be accordingly where the image is obtained. It is mu2 here right now because the image is obtained. The image is obtained, or the refracted ray is going in denser medium. So image is with respect to denser medium. Image is with respect to denser medium. And it is virtual image, that virtually it is produced in the rarer medium, that is a different story. But image is in the denser medium. Refracted ray is in the denser medium, you can see. So it is with image V, it is mu2. So you have to prove this formula, mu2 by V minus mu1 by U is equal to mu2 minus mu1. Because here it is mu2, here it is mu1, and बीच में minus, divide by R. You are supposed to do in this question. But here in this question you have to prove this. Because image is obtained in rarer medium. So image is in rarer medium, rarer is mu1. So it is mu1 by v. And object is kept in the denser medium, so mu2 by u. U is with mu2, v is with mu. तो ये कंफर्म करता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ है, तो इमेज का आंसर क्या होगा. सो दिस इज द डायग्राम माय डियर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन का. I suppose that my dear you should prove all this. I have marked alpha, beta, gamma, everything. My request to you all is please you all draw the diagram and understood this also कि कब कैसे surfaces होते हैं for concave, and I have done already for convex. My request is that you solve this derivation, then only you can achieve the formula, because and in the board exam I am not sure that which derivation can be asked. Now let's go to the last part, that is the last question. The last question is, we have to prove it by my way. So the last part of the question is the last diagram from my side, and then you do it yourself. All these questions, 3 questions which I am uploading. First see the first 3 videos. This will tell, all time will tell that which question is coming, which numerical is coming. Your 2021 will tell all this, but my effort should not go in vain. It should some useful something you should do. Look at the diagram. I am taking a lot of effort to do all this, so that you should understand. Now my dear, the last question, that is object, 6th question, object kept in denser medium, object kept in denser medium, my dear, for concave surface, image is virtual. Image is virtual. Image is virtual. Please take care. Image is virtual. Now, how will you go for this question? Now, you all know that the object is in denser medium for concave surface. Concave surface, denser medium, object should keep, then diagram will be this part. Then only denser will come to the left, and object can be placed in the left side only. So, this diagram. So, let's start. Sorry, denser is here. I said denser के साइड में बनाने का. So this is your denser medium with Ri mu2. This is your pole and the straight line passing through the principal axis. Now my dear, here I suppose, no doubt center of curvature will be on this side now, but image is virtual, so of course the image will come on this side only, that is on the same side of the object, and it should go now from denser to rarer, so away from the normal. Am I clear? So from denser to rarer, it should be away from the normal. So when I say it is away from the normal, so now let us see that first. So here is the object I kept, and here is the incident ray. This is the point M. Let us draw the, because center of curvature will be now on this side, because face is like this. It is your error medium. Refractive index mu1. So now this is the normal ray. Two diagrams are little difficult, this one and the fourth one. Little bit second one also, second, fourth and fifth. First, third and sixth is easy diagram, so don't worry about it, and I hope this also you understood. Please, I am putting a lot of effort to make you to understand. So now here, this is the incident ray, my dear. So this should bend away from the normal. So if I take, this is incident ray, here is M, incident point M, and this is the normal. So here I am writing normal ray. So it will be bent away. So here is the bending. That is away from the normal. You can see this. This is your refracted ray. See once again. So it should bend away from the normal. I am using other pen. It should bend away from the normal. Here is the point. Here it is bending. That is away from the normal. This is normal and here is the angle R. This is incident ray. This is normal. I have written here, so this is angle and here it is point M. This is your angle I. Now this is your refracted ray. So this refracted ray can be produced further. Here you can see, and here is the virtual image. But object kept in denser and image obtained in rarer. Because refracted ray going in rarer, I have virtually drawn in the denser medium. And therefore image name is virtual image. But ये हमेशा याद रखो कि सर अगर object denser में तो image is rarer में. Image is in rarer. Then only refraction, there is two medium. So nothing difficult about it. Now distance P2O against the incident ray minus U. So this is minus U, P2I is minus V and P2C is plus R. Here I will draw the perpendicular. This is MN. Object will make alpha with principal axis, image will make beta with principal axis and normal ray will make gamma with the principal axis. This is the diagram for this question, my dear. Object kept in denser medium for concave surface and image is virtual. I hope you are clear with the diagram. Now, what you are supposed to prove here in this topic? To prove where is the object in mu2 and where is the image in mu1, refracted ray, which is produced in the mu2 medium, that is different story. But refracted ray or object is in denser, so of course image is in the rarer. So of course image is in the rarer, matlab V is in the rarer with respect to rarer. So here it will be mu1 divided by V because rarer is mu1. So mu1 divided by V minus mu2 is with U, denser mein object is capped. So minus mu2 divided by U is equal to, my dear, here it is mu1, here it is mu2. So mu1 and minus mu2. This is all logic I am giving to remember by looking the numerical divided by R. Because while solving numerical nobody is asked that what is the derivation, but then you should know how this derived. Or what is the logic behind it when we write this equation, how numerically the equation keep changing. So you should know how to apply these equations by reading the numerical. Where is the object? Capped is very important part. Where is the object capped is very important. Concave, convex, real, virtual is only for further substitution to understand whether R will be plus or R will be minus. V getting virtual and all will be help you to understand whether V will be minus or V will be plus. See, but my dear, the formula which is distinguished among the 6 topic on which the numerical supposed to do is the two equation and that is depend upon where the object is placed. If it is in the rarer medium, object is in the last 2 minutes, object is in the rarer medium, it means that sir, object is with mu1, u is with mu1 and v is with mu2 100%, that is image in the denser medium. So the formula will become, I have to start with v, so formula will become mu2 by v, because mu2 के साथ v होगा, denser में mu2 है, that is denser, and v is obtained in denser because object in rarer. So mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by u, because I have started with mu2 by v minus mu1 by u. And similarly other way around, if object is in the denser medium, so image obtained in the rarer medium, so then how will be the formula? It will start with the image. So how many image is in the rarer medium? So it is mu1 by v. Then only I can say v is with mu1. mu1 by v minus mu2 by u, because object is in denser, so mu2 by u is equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by 1. Take care of this all. Derive these 3 diagrams, formulae. I have given what you are supposed to prove. Good if you will do it, all these formulas by yourself, so that you will have a practice of deriving this equation. Tomorrow we will together do the numericals of this topic. Let us see that whether you are getting the numericals. There are very good numericals on this topic, on refraction at single curve surface. Thank you very much. Jai Hind from my side. Thank you.